Marathahalli, a bustling suburb in Bangalore, is home to a growing number of construction companies. Among these firms is Scon Design India Private Ltd, a leading player in the construction industry. With years of experience and a commitment to quality, Scon Design India Private Ltd has earned a reputation for delivering exceptional projects that meet the needs of its clients. Apart from Scon Design India Private Ltd, there are several other construction companies in Marathahalli that offer a range of services, including architectural design, construction management, and project planning. No matter what the size or scope of the project, there is a construction company in Marathahalli that can deliver the results you need. When choosing a construction company in Marathahalli, it's important to consider factors such as experience, expertise, and track record. Scon Design India Private Ltd stands out from the rest with its commitment to quality and attention to detail. Marathahalli, located in the eastern part of Bangalore, is a rapidly developing area with a high demand for construction companies. Among the many construction companies operating in Marathahalli, Scon Design India Private Ltd is a well-known name. With their expertise in architecture and engineering, Scon Design India Private Ltd has been delivering quality services to their clients for over a decade. Apart from Scon Design India Private Ltd, there are several other construction companies located in Marathahalli that cater to the needs of the growing population. Some of the notable names in the field include JMC Projects, India, Ltd, Puravankara Limited, Prestige Group, and Saba Limited. With Bangalore being a hub for IT companies and startups, the demand for real estate is ever increasing. This has led to the rise of many construction companies in Marathahalli, offering customized solutions to meet the specific needs of their clients. From budget-friendly options to luxury apartments, if you are in search of construction companies in Marathahalli, Bangalore for sale, then Scon Design India Private Ltd might be a good option to consider. Scon Design India Private Ltd has a team of highly skilled professionals who are dedicated to providing the best services to their clients. The company has worked on various projects ranging from residential buildings to commercial complexes. This process will involve reviewing the company's financial statements, contracts, and client reviews. In conclusion, if you are looking for construction companies in Marathahalli, Bangalore for sale, then Scon Design India Private Ltd is worth considering. Marathahalli, located in the eastern part of Bangalore, is a bustling area that is home to several tech parks, residential complexes, and commercial establishments. Due to its strategic location and proximity to major IT hubs, Marathahalli is witnessing a surge in construction activity, making it an attractive location for construction companies. One such company that has made a name for itself in Marathahalli is Scon Design India Private Limited. With a strong reputation for quality workmanship and timely delivery, Scon Design India Private Ltd has become a sought-after name in the construction industry in Bangalore. Their portfolio